Hi guys, welcome to GponSolution. Today I will discuss how to install client software for NC for first time login from your client PC. So after login, this is IP and port number of NCE-FAN R024. This is the version, and when you log in your NMS, then you see this network management. This is gray, and here showing install. So after click here, you will see here need to install some plugins and need to maintain some procedure. So first download this plugins web proxy file, as well as here is a client software installation, some tools like JDK. So I will give you this file. So first you need to create one folder in your desktop, like I am creating here app, and within this folder you need to create a folder whose name need to give JRE, and then you need to install this JDK file. This is a link also, you can directly download from Google by search this JDK8 LTS file, or can go from this website. So double click this software. Next, now need to select this folder, JRE file folder. This is app file where we create a directory JRE, and need to install this JRE directory. Then install, need to complete install. Now finish, and next we need to collect web proxy installer, copy, then put this app folder and unzip, then need to double click this bat file, install, in the meantime from Google Chrome you need to go Chrome flag, need to install certificate, yes, and here filter certificate, and need to enable this web transport developer, enable and omit TLS client certificate enable. It enable here. Then need to relaunch this web browser, and from here click here, your plugins ready or not, and this installation is success. And after that you see sometime later the plugins will upgrade. Need to wait some time. For installing time, you need to check this folder name without any space. So here I create a folder with name app, then in the folder I create another folder with name JRE and install JDK file within this folder. Then web proxy installer extract this main app folder and then run this web proxy installer bat file, and we enable this web transport developer mode and omit TLS client certificate. These two options enable and relaunch this Chrome browser. Now you see after plugins upgradation complete, you see this button is visible, and we can now import certificate. Import, yes. So first time you need to install the certificate for security confirmation validation. So now we successfully entered the NCE system. So this is NCE-FAN NMS light version. This NMS version is R024. So this is still latest. Now the system is ready to use. Thank you guys.